Fernando M. Valeriano, Brian S. Yamsuan, Nico Raul S. Daza, Christopher G. Gonzalez, Agustina Dominic C. Pancho, John Estil L. Yap II, Rosalie A. Salvame, Alexandria P. Gonzalez, Antonio A. Ferrer, Sun J. Shimura, Alfredo D. Maranel III, Lawrence R. Defensor, Dimsar M. Sali, Miguel Luis R. Villaferte, Vicencio Renato Luigi R. Villaferte, Francis S. Pomaren, Karen Hope Flores Garcia, Maria Angela S. Garcia, Antonin A. Moreno III, Carlos A. Doria, Christine Diego T. Remulla, Romeo M. Aco, Antonito M. Mascu, Jerry Evangelista Perez, Adrian J. C. Advincula, Eddie G. Plaza, and Jennifer Karen A. Lagbas. These all 29 complainants are members coming from the National Unity Party, a registered political party in the Philippines. The complaint alleged that on 11 and 12 of September 2025, respondent violated and continued to violate, by means of his official social media platforms, the established standards of conduct for members of House of Representatives. The respondent posted statements on his verified Facebook pages, Congressman Kiko Barsaga and Kiko Barsaga official, spurious attacks against government institutions and officials, which constitutes conduct unbecoming of a member of Congress. The complainants alleged that these social media posts in his verified Facebook pages contain language and imagery that employ derogatory and inflammatory rhetoric against government institutions, use vulgar and inappropriate language unbefitting a public official, promote divisiveness and undermine public confidence in government, and violate standards of decorum expected of members of Congress. Screenshots of the said posts constituting 24 pictures found in said social media pages were included as annexes by the complainants in their verified complaint, which they remarked as their exhibits. Complainants